Snap me! What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video. And we're currently washing Wilkins' car because he hasn't washed it since he's got it out, and it's absolutely stinking. Look at all that. Never catch me driving around in a fucking dirty old car like that, or a dirty van. But yeah, we're gonna we'll give this a quick wash and a little detail, and then unfortunately we have got someone coming up to pick up one of our cars, and that's the black EP2. Unfortunately he's got to go. So we're gonna wait on him to come up, and in the meantime we're gonna get this looking absolutely beautiful.
Ah, boy, it's fucked. Right, we're upside down. Fuck, I can't. Whoa, that seal clearly isn't working. Somebody's fucking broken.
Have we got to rotate that to match up with that?
It should just fucking fit.
Lefty loosey, righty tighty, mate.
No, other way, the reverse thread.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, you. But everything's fucking soaking. So I fucking damn it, I didn't get this on fucking film. The picking nose just fucking flew off. Oh boy. It's fucking off now. No wonder it was so fucking hard to pull off. Yeah, we were just fighting against
50 bar of water pressure behind it. Fucking water everywhere.
Boy, for that split second, I was like, what the fuck, explosion. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, you bloody bastard.
You bastard.
You bloody bastard.
Fucking. Who's Sammy P? He's not driving a Jap car.
Sammy G, like Sammy Gay.
What's good,
But you actually suit a 13.
Nah, but I said everything, so I'm just a G. It's just I'm too big.
You buy a 13, mate, you'll have an empty bank account and an empty wallet.
Yeah, it's not happening.
Everybody on YouTube has got 13s, mate, and broke.
Ah, fucking tell us about it.
The amount he just spent on his 15 is unbelievable.
Oh no.
They're bad.
Just crank that. But you made it sound so dramatic.
I was sat in the house and I was a bit depressed. I was like, I need to hear a run. Grabbed the keys, guys. I was like, why do I like to start my BM? Went out and he went. I was like, ah,
what are you doing? Wouldn't you like to fucking know?
Goodbye to the EP2. Never knew lawnmowers could wheel spin. POV, you own an EP2.
Oh, how much power's it got at?
Bro, got 120 horses under the bonnet, bro.
Shit, better not open a bonnet then, shall we? See if I can deal with this Jap fucking bonnet marky. Oh my god.
Snap me!
Boys, do you like anything from Greg's? I have a monkey on the phone.
Yeah, you? Liam, what's your Instagram?
Which one?
No one asked.
You got any dollies on?
Any date on it? Expiration date 2018.
Wow. How much for you to have?
That's right, I just had a video.
Oh boy.
It's drooping. How's he going?
The fuck is that off?
That's all. Will I put on the
Fucking hell.
POV, you want to stop. Ivico daily car little boy, literally is.
Those pads are brand new, man.
Brand new, second hand, straight out the box. Wilkins. Notice how he's a bit happy today? No way.
Does it smell nice?
the date on it?
Smells quite nice.
Oh, that smells like a nice...
Wilk, spray this in your mouth.
Eliminate odours. Wilk, you need this, boy. How much meat do you eat one of them on the camera?
How many likes? If this video gets 25 likes, Sammy P will eat one of these chewing gums in this abandoned
Is there a
van.
date on it? Holy fuck. Best before, see the side.
Which side?
The side's missing. Fair nothing.
You could still eat those.
I just squished it with my hand, but that's okay.
Again, 25 likes and Sammy P will eat one.
1 like and Finn will touch this funny ways. That's not Pepsi, boy.
2
No,
likes.
it's got a seal.
2 likes and
Should we
Sam
break-
will drink it.
Should we break the seal and give her the sniff test? June 17. Ban fine.
Is this sealed?
Yeah.
Is that for... Boy.
Oh, smell that.
Oh.
No, he broke the seal. Just old Pepsi, that is.
Right, so I thought I'd give you a little bit of an update on how the roof turned out on the last video. Now it's dry and it's actually not bad. Feels much smoother than it was previously before we did the repair. We are a bit concerned again with the colour of primer, so before we come to paint, we're just going to key it back up and then spray a lighter primer so it matches this, only because we don't want the roof being a completely different colour to the rest of the body, because we'll let it down. We'll sort that out for the next video on the little mini series of how to paint your car on a budget. Today we're not I don't think we're going to do much prep today, but we are going to sort Wilkins's car out because he needs it as a daily.
It's a punching bag.
Stink comes in.
I thought it was this man's bollock.
Not big enough.
That's the adult equivalent of a
If
tree
you
swing.
Boy, it ran when parked.
Don't drive all.
Nah.
Bluetooth.
Nah, nothing's Bluetooth on it.
Wheels not how you drive your car, it's how you park your car.
It's how you stand by your car.
So how you stand by an S13.
Nah, you mean BM.
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
Nah, bro.
Oh.
Yeah, but guess what? Mine's not rusting away. And it's all one colour. Have you seen it in the side, boy? All one colour. Faded. It's a bird, Milano pig. Chicken, because it's a flightless bird, but it's still a bird.
Oh, how's your exhaust manifolds?
Yeah, you. Yeah.
Transition. Oh boy. So, bit of a update on Wilkins's car. The air drains are unfortunately still leaking, so we're gonna leave that like that for a while. But yeah, car's now been picked up, and that's all sorted and gone. And we got a suspected fuel leak.
It's going to be running from the top. It's running all around the tank. So less.
Fucking hell.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, yeah.
Petroleum fucking everywhere.
I don't know though, because it's only by here, and then when you look further up, but like, there's dirt and stuff there, but...
Everybody else can afford fighting.
Ding 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 ding. It's gonna be such a random fucking video.
Yeah, it's funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can I 12 bottles of bleach, please?
What do you mean you put different voices on? But you've got a beard. Yeah, I covered it. But you've just walking into the shop with your hands on your face.
Yes, I put on my other voice. Can I have 12 bottles of bleach, please?
Right, yeah, so that's yourself. Well, you bought them all from the same fucking shop. You gotta get us nicked. Right, so we have to drop the fuel tanks now because they're bolt stripped in the top. Absolute nightmare. So we're gonna drop the tank down so we can fix those, because we do believe the fuel's sloshing and coming above where the cap is on the top. Unfortunately, I've got to drop the tank down so we can fix that. Oh yeah, well, it's just making a funnel now. So we go straight onto there, down into the baguette. Fucking soaking on the case.
By the skin of my teeth, boy.
Look at that.
You want to take that filler cap out of me?
Yeah.
Grab it there. Oh, go on, you have to climb up a ladder and...
How does this open?
You gotta like use a fucking screw like that. There's a tip tool really on it. You can stick that underneath the bottom and pull.
Oh, there we go. Going faster now? Oh, happy days. Fair play. It's working fucking beautifully.
It's like you grew it.
You're gonna have to keep that in the back of the in the fucking box.
There's the
Fumes are
answer.
coming straight into the fucking car. You fucking knob.
There's the answer as to probably why,
That's why it stinks of fuel.
and why you're getting slight seepage. Great success!
Very nice. Now still.
You gotta fix that. Fuck's sake.
So you end up making a problem.
So where does that go? That's obviously meant to go to an evap canister under the bonnet.
More than likely, yeah.
So, but it still needs to
You
vent.
could, well, you
You can't
can't
block it.
Yeah, you can't block it off, can you?
If you've got fuel
A
line,
little bit.
Yeah.
if you've got fuel line, I go straight onto that and just put it up fucking to that or something.
Yeah. Try get them out now. Then the tank air out. I'll go get some food.
Yeah.
This is perfect.
In there.
I reckon what Finn was doing there might just be a good option.
Yeah, they're getting drilled out anyway.
Yeah, so I was just thinking if you just get the pliers on them,
And rip them out.
yeah, doing what you do there, because you had...
We'll go this way.
I can't feel them.
So they're definitely in here, but I'll bring something.
Yeah, boy, my arm's not that long.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was going to drop the car down.
Good.
What's it looking like above a tank anyway?
Bit of
Yeah, it's definitely a car.
So
bit of bleeding.
I believe, right, so this is where obviously the tank's touching. There was stock
Yeah.
sound deadening, like...
stop it from vibrating on it.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, you can see where. Yeah.
Okay, some head that is.
Yeah, you! Getting chops you on camera, like.
Then let's get fucking...
I'll fucking send you back home, you bastard.
Next video, I get deported. Back to the gulag.
I should have cleaned the threads out on the powder coated tank when I got it.
I think it's excitement gets you by the bollocks.
Yeah, and I didn't have a tap for whatever the fuck that is. What is it, M5 by 1 probably?
Yeah, it'd be something daft.
Definitely be by one, surely.
We love problems.
Oh yes, problems all the time.
Yeah, fair play.
Sunbolt.
Aye. Yeah, I should come loose with it because that's just started loosening up, man. There you go.
There's 2.
Oh.
And then I'm going to put M6 or something and riv nut there instead.
Remember, switching to your secondary is always faster than loading.
What if your secondary's out of ammo?
Then you switch to your primary.
Knife out.
What if you left your knife at home?
And you're pretty fucked in new boy, let's be honest. Sorry boy, it's butters for you.
What if your missus is using it to cook food?
Can't believe I forgot
Sound
that
as
one.
fuck like.
Fuck, I just went to atmosphere, Wilk. See, right, it's come out to you, right? When I fucking tanked it, it's gone. It's all sat there.
Run down the back. Which is why I said to you I could see it.
Right, I can't even remember when I put a tank in this car. It's got to be
No, you just go.
June. May, June.
I don't remember putting a tank in, so...
A lot of sleeping since then, and I've been
Yeah.
to some foreign countries as well.
Yeah.
Germany, Japan.
Got the stendo.
I was like, I swear they're getting longer. Nah, that one is not getting
Bite it.
looser. I'll bite you now.
Fuck, I've got no teeth left in his mouth, I'm like,
Nah, my front one's a sound, bro. Oh, you need bigger grips, bud.
fuck off, I was lucky. Go on, 50-50 grind the tank now, boy.
Oh, you're an animal.
Look at that! Look at that!
Look at that.
You animal.
Boy, you got no fuel left.
Oh, boy.
I know, it's all in a
That's why
bucket
she's
over there.
spitting. Oh, you're dribbling everywhere.
Sorry, boy. I do that anyway.
What are the threads like on the actual?
Oh, but do you know what's meant? That's captive. That no, it's
Is it?
there's a cavity. Sorry, below that. So if you feel it,
Yes.
No threads.
there's somewhere for me to drill into. But obviously, I got to be very careful with.
Was that
drilling.
fuel? Was that?
Right, there's
Is that sealed then?
There is literally no threads left in any of them.
I think obviously the powder coat, so you can see where it was. Obviously I just threaded the bolts in, so it wasn't tight enough. Maybe we was weeping past it a little bit anyway, but I'm glad I'm addressing an issue where Phil could possibly leak from.
But you look as well, look inside each of these, boy. There's literally... What's that?
What is it?
That's coming off the evap thing.
No, that's just where... That's just blank. Is it
No,
blank?
it's snapped.
Yeah.
So where's that meant to go?
Where would that be on there?
On top of there maybe?
Where?
No, that's the return.
Yeah, you got
It's
the
just
chain
to
and
let
sheath.
pressure out the tank, you know?
Maybe there's a pinhole in it.
Possibly, then, yeah.
I don't know if it looks snapped or...
Is there anything in there?
That looks more like glue than snap to me, bro.
Yeah.
That looks like your fucking tuff they removed yesterday.
It does actually.
Yeah, look inside each of these holes, boy. There's fuck all threads left in them.
So I'm gonna have to get a drill in
You're
here
gonna,
with some...
you're gonna have to tap them. Tiger seal.
Or self-tappers.
I was thinking the same thing.
I need this car today.
Quick, cut the tape so no one can see what we've done. That is some table.
Engineering is finest, boy.
But hang in.
Sit down family meal, like.
Boys gonna have their food now, and then they're gonna go about finishing the tank. But I've got to shoot off. So, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you did enjoy the video, make sure you guys do like, comment, and subscribe. And we will all see you guys in the next one. In a bit.